Wildfire smoke can do more than irritate your lungs. It may impact your brain too. As Utah heads into summer under severe drought conditions, wildfire season is expected to be intense. One major concern is PM 2.5, tiny pollution particles from wildfire smoke, vehicle exhaust, and industrial emissions. These particles can enter your lungs and bloodstream, increasing inflammation and damaging blood vessels. University of Utah stroke neurologist Lee Chung says nearly half of pollution-related cardiovascular risk is linked to stroke. Pollution can increase inflammation, raise blood pressure, promote blood clotting, and worsen plaque buildup in arteries. On poor air quality days, exercise indoors, keep windows closed, and wear a mask when needed. This wildfire season, protecting your lungs means you're also protecting your brain.